Windows 8.1 and Internet Explorer 11 work together to improve the way I navigate the Internet every day. Regardless of which device I'm using, I browse faster and feel immersed in a rich, app-like environment. Here on the Start screen, I've pinned several of my favorite websites, so I can quickly access them just like I do my other pinned apps. Some pinned websites appear as live tiles, which give me instant updates to keep my Start screen alive and fresh. When I open a website using Internet Explorer 11, I get a full-screen, immersive viewing experience. With the touch-first interface, I simply swipe down from the top or swipe up from the bottom to display my open tabs. And using my mouse, I can also right-click to display my open tabs. From here, I can quickly switch between open sites, and I can open a new tab to navigate to a different site. I can even view my favorite sites with a simple tap. And to add a website to my favorites, I just tap the Add to Favorites button. I can open up to 100 tabs at a time without slowing my browser speed. And I just tap the X to close any tab. What's more, the websites I'm visiting can roam with my Microsoft account to continue my browsing experience on a different device. If I choose to sync my devices, Internet Explorer 11 uses SkyDrive to sync open tabs, history, and favorites across my Windows 8.1 devices. For example, if I've opened several tabs on my tablet at work and I want to pick up where I left off on my laptop at home, then I simply click the drop-down arrow next to Tabs and select My Tablet to view all of the open tabs from my work device. I can start browsing on my tablet at work and finish browsing on my laptop at home. It's a seamless experience from device to device. Pinning a site to my Start screen is fast and easy as well. When I'm on a site I want to pin, I simply tap the Favorites button. Next, I tap the Pin Site button. Using the arrows, I select which image I want to display on the tile, and then I tap Pin to Start. To enhance my viewing experience even more, I can turn on Flip Ahead with Page Prediction, which predicts the next page and loads it in the background. This is especially helpful when I'm reading long articles. To turn this feature on, I swipe in from the right edge of my screen, I tap or click Settings, and then I choose Privacy. From here, I can customize my tracking settings, cookies, location, and other web services. But for now, I'll turn on Flip Ahead. Now I can swipe to the left or right to navigate seamlessly between pages. When Reading View is available, I can activate it to view a layout that's optimized for reading. If I like to display my address bar and tabs constantly, I simply open Settings, and from Options, I turn on this feature. Here, I can also adjust the zoom, and I can customize the reading view if I like a certain reading style. Back on my browsing window, I simply start typing search terms in the address bar to view suggested websites and searches. Internet Explorer 11 is not only faster and easier, it helps me to work more efficiently. For example, when I tap a web link from within another app, the link opens on the other half of the screen, so that I can view the app and the link simultaneously for easy multitasking or reference. And if there's a phone number on the page, Internet Explorer 11 automatically highlights it so that I can just tap to dial the number with apps like Skype or Link. I can also quickly open any browsing window on my desktop by tapping the wrench icon. Then I choose View in the desktop. Now I have the browsing experience I'm used to with Internet Explorer. Windows 8.1 and Internet Explorer 11 make browsing the web fast and fluid. Internet Explorer is great on my desktop and optimized for my touch device.